Let's roll this intro. Oh man, get over here. Alright, so we got this big, ginormous, mother flipping, curved, freaking beat the piss out of somebody or whatever the case, mamma jamma. I don't even care. I'm not starting any of these over anymore. I've been trying to be kind of chill and nonchalant, but the old lady's in here and she'd be laughing, and I don't care no more. So, another big shout out to Vikingbags and these guns here. Stay in shape, drink your water. But they sent me this 25-inch, I think it's the Blade Iron or Blade Sissy Bar or something like that. Anywho, we're gonna throw this bad boy on the back of the Sportster here. Shout out to them also for that swing arm bag. Super nice. Wouldn't trade it for the world. We're gonna put this on. It didn't really come in a special box from Viking. This is pretty much it. Just had you get old styrofoam stuff wrapped around here like this. I need to quit doing that. That looks kind of weird. But so we just ripped all that off, and yeah, man, it's super easy to put on. I mean, literally all you have to do is, you know, your blinkers back there, your brake lights or whatever, kind of goes over it right here. It's 4 bolts, 2 on each side. The 2 longer bolts go in the front, so closer toward the front of the back. Longer bolts go in up here, shorter bolts go in the back. And we're gonna put it on, check it out, see what it looks like. Probably gonna be a short video, little time lapse of just putting it on the back, not really too much to talk about. It's just a 25-inch bar, you know, for a passenger if you want somebody to lean up against here, or if you want to like strap a book bag to it, or if you want to pull over when y'all chilling somewhere, kick your feet up on the back, you can lean up against it. So we're gonna throw it on the back, we're gonna see what it looks like, take some pictures, probably roll it back outside so y'all can see it, not just inside the shop. And like I said, man, big shout out to Vikingbags for sending this my way for us to do a review, put it on the back. Y'all make sure y'all go check them out. This is not a sponsored video. They're just super cool people, man. And like I said, so a big shout out to them. So without further ado, we just gonna throw this bad boy on the motorcycle and see how it looks. So follow along. Oh, well, we gotta get it lined up on there. So anyway, we are about to put this bad boy on here. And like I said, it's pretty simple. You know, you just dry fit it up there to start with. Maybe, you know, just hand tighten a couple screws. And we're gonna time lapse this thing so y'all can see probably about how long it's gonna take us to do it. I got her helping me, and we'll see how it goes, man. Then we'll, you know, roll it outside, do a video, all that fun stuff, and we will check it out. So we're gonna time lapse this thing, putting it on, doing fitment wise. And like I said, remember, if you're doing this for the first time, pop your, you know, the brake lens caps off or whatever, you know, to start with, because you're gonna have to take them off, get these back bolts out, and to put the new bolts back through here so you can put it back on the bike. And you just pop them bad boys back on and you get done. So let's get to it. How long did that take? 10 minutes? Or bad? Oh. Oh, that's nice. Now I can sit here and chill. Well, there's that. And if y'all want to know what we used to put it together, I took a, what size is it on? 13. That is. A little ratchet. And I don't know what size that is. But, I mean, you know, if you got these kind of tools laying around your shop, I mean, you just take the bolts that they send you, put it in there, make sure it fits good, and then that's it. And there's a nut on the back side or the inside of this that you got to stick your fingers up in there and hold it on there, screw it. You got to hold it with that wrench, and then on this one it like goes into the side of the fender and sticks in like a little piece up against it and it holds itself there. So you ain't got to do that with the back ones, and you just crank them down. Other than that, that's it, man. So we're gonna roll it outside so y'all can check it out. All right, so it's actually getting a little dark out there, probably a little bit too dark to see this out there and do it any kind of justice. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. So what's gonna look like 2 seconds to y'all is gonna be like a whole nother 24 hours for me. And then I'll roll this bad boy out tomorrow so y'all can check it out there in the sunlight and everything, wash it up, get my fingerprints all off it and stuff. And yeah, man, you better check it out. And shout out to the old lady for helping put this on. Props to her. Y'all give her a round of applause down in the comments. And yeah, man, go follow me on the gram. We'll have plenty of pictures of this bad boy on there. Not too much longer, we'll be throwing some ape hangers on this. And so y'all just stay tuned, man. Subscribe, like, comment down below. Go follow the socials and keep up with me, man. All right, what's up, y'all? So we're gonna pick up where we left off yesterday after installing the Vikingbags Sissy Bar, the 25-inch. And I'm gonna roll it out here outside so y'all can kind of see and do like a little roll over everything. Like I said, we got a new bag too, swing arm bag from Vikingbags. So if you wanna go check that video out, you know, just look through my channel and you'll see it, all that in case you're looking for a swing arm bag. But I'm gonna roll this outside so y'all can check it out, man. Do some nice little clips of the bag, the whole bike, and the Sissy Bar, just so y'all can check it out, man. So here we go.
Come on, baby.